Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla spice croissant French toast, so let's get started with the video. First, in a bowl, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Next, add 2 eggs. Beat the eggs and butter together until smooth. Then add 2/3 cup of Trader Joe's organic spiced vanilla creamer. If you can't find the vanilla spice creamer, you can always just use the regular sweet cream. Next, add ground cinnamon, a bit of ground nutmeg, and finally add 1 teaspoon of Trader Joe's Bourbon vanilla bean paste. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add butter. While the butter is melting, place a slice of croissant bread into the egg mixture, then let it soak for a few seconds on each side. By the way, I got the croissant loaf from Costco. Then place a slice of bread in the pan. Cook each slice for around 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Once the French toast have finished cooking, place it on a plate and repeat this process until you've made all the French toast you want. Now top your French toast with fruit, powdered sugar, and the syrup of your choice. I'm using white chocolate syrup. And this is the finished result. I made this because I really wanted to try making French toast with the Trader Joe's creamer and the croissant bread I found at Costco, and it turned out amazing. I'm pretty sure the vanilla spice creamer is seasonal, so I don't think you'll be able to find it now. But the recipe works just fine with regular sweet creamer or heavy cream. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!